This is Carl, Aqua Teen Hunger Force, and this is my stone cold lock of the century. Or the week. The Browns reinstated Johnny Willie or won't he play football as the starter, and they never should have benched him in the first place. Just 'cause a man spends his Saturday night and most of Sunday morning smashing tall boys in his forehead until it's red as Peyton Manning's don't mean he can't crawl out of bed at noon and bum a ride to the stadium for the 1 o'clock game. Of course he's gonna party in Cleveland. It's the home of the Rock and Roll Museum, the only museum cool enough to have a wing exclusively dedicated to David Lee Roth's chest hair. Besides, it ain't like Cleveland can be picky. Most of their players are gonna be out of the league next year anyway. I'm pretty sure some of their safeties are just sacks of cornmeal with eyeball sharpied on. So think outside the box. Start Manziel and Austin Davis at the same time. Or you could stack 10 dudes on top of the center like some giant vertical human centipede. Hike the ball to the guy on top and then fall forward. Belichick would do that until someone find him to stop. But see, Coach Patine wants the Browns to lose because he's worried about the party that Manziel would throw if they actually won a game. And that's why the San Francisco 49ers are Carl's Stone Cold Lock of the Century. Or the week.